What up everyone? So today we're going to put some underglow on Roxy.
Yes, that.
I got a little helper today, so we'll see what happens. But let's get this thing jacked up and let's get cracking.
Green eyes caught staring at the high life, wishing you could.
So, first thing we need to do to actually do this is we need to find the engine bay fuse box. In this car, because it's an A3, it's this one just here. Yes, I know, I need to repaint it, but so, to get it off, pop that off there. And that's fine, we've found the actual fuse box itself. Right. Sorry guys, the light's not exactly great, but what we've got to do is we've got to put the positive side of the underglow onto a fuse that's always on. I'm going to use this one here. I've currently got, as you can see, I've got an amp cable on it, but if we go to the back of the car, I don't have an amp. So I'm going to say we don't need that right now. So we're going to undo that. We're going to attach the positive of the lighting to that, and then I just need to find a grounding point. Luckily, with all negative wires are ground, so we're just going to actually put it onto a probably a body panel. I might use this one here because it's got a nice big metal chunk here. We can ground it off there, and then I just need to find a route through to underneath. But before we do any of that, we need to make some connections so we can actually connect the underglow to it. Luckily, I have a bag of goodies to make it easier, because I've always been told to worry about battery drain and stuff like that, but to stop that, I've actually got myself an RF receiver, so I can actually turn it on and off using the key fob. That's going to make my life a lot easier. Shall we make some connections? Let's get cracking.
You like them? They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, so let's talk you through what I've just done. So we've got our positive power cable screwing into this one here. We've got our negative ground, what goes to one next to, and then both positive and negative cables going to the underglow are all wired into the RF receiver. So hopefully it all works. That off. Now what I've got to do now is actually make this one into a ground. Can you see it? There we go. So this one here needs to go into a ground, and then this one here needs to go into our fuse box like we were saying earlier. Let me just do that now.
Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side.
Okay, time for the moment of truth. Will it turn on? That'll be a no. No, it won't. Okay, back to the drawing board. So, as you can probably tell, didn't work. So, it's a little bit annoying because everything I did worked to a fashion. So, everything, all the connections we made into the receiver box worked, the switch worked. When you hit the button, it all comes on, but there's nothing going to the lighting rig itself. What? Yeah, it's a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. I've just done a load of troubleshooting for a while. I didn't film it because some dummy didn't turn the camera on. So looks like what it is going to be, unless you're any of you guys who actually understand this stuff a lot better than me, knows what I did, anything I did wrong, and then you can tell me how to fix it, that'd be wicked. Put it in the comments below. But I personally think it's something wrong with the lighting rig itself. I think there's something, a resistor or something that's gone wrong inside the actual control module, or it might be the bulbs, or even some of the wires connected to it. So the best thing I can think of is I need to buy a new Underglow kit, and then I'll carry on. I'll start again. I'll use this again because this is working fine. So we might as well use that again. So everything I've done, like I said, it works. Just the Underglow lights themselves don't want to work. But hey, stuff happens. So, but thank you for watching this video. Please support the channel. Please support me by subscribing and hitting the like button. It means so much to me. What else did I want to say? Oh yeah, if you want to see me do, or more to the point, attempt anything else, at the end of the day, this channel's about trying to learn to do this stuff. But if there's anything you want to see me attempt to, comment below, see what I can do. But for now, I'm going to have to end it here, unfortunately. I was really hoping to get it working. But so, like I say, I'm going to end it here. But thank you very much for watching. We are out.